doorbell just rang. I think that I might have. Oh, yep, we do. Good morning and happy day 11. I can't believe we're in the double digits of Vlogmas. As you guys saw, I just got something in the mail this morning and it said #happiness on it. That's right, because it's my Bath & Body Works order. I'm so excited. The $8 candle, my $8 candle haul is finally here. So let's go ahead and show you what I got, and then we'll open the advent calendar. This is what I was talking about on the box. It says that. And then, dun 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 dun, candles. So many beautiful candles. Oh, and a coupon. I actually already took 2 of the candles out. So we've got Autumn, pumpkin pecan waffles, which is Mama Bee's favorite. She asked me to get that one for her. Then, oh, these are new. I haven't seen them put the candles in these little crates. Gelato! So this hasn't been around since 2013, and it was my all-time favorite candle, and I wouldn't allow myself to burn it until this past summer. I burnt it. If you guys watch my empties. Now let's go ahead and give it a sniff. Can you guys, what do you think? It definitely, oh my gosh, it definitely smells so delicious. I don't have the original candle to compare it to right now, but it definitely smells amazing. Let me take all of these out because they're kind of hard to do one-handed. So all right, here they all are in their glory. So I got 2 gelato because it's my favorite candle of all time. This one I missed out on last year, the pink petal tea cake candle. It smells so good, you guys. I'm so glad I got that. It's so beautiful. Champagne toast, which is one of my all-time favorites. Hot cocoa and cream. Oh, this one. Oh my goodness, you guys. It really does smell like hot cocoa. It smells so yummy. And then I got 1 more Leaves and 1 more Autumn. I don't have any Autumn in my back stock. I do have 1 Leaves left. So I decided to get a backup. The fall candles were really only online that I could see. So that's why I did online this year. And then pumpkin pecan waffles for Mama Bee. So that's my little Bath & Body Works haul. Okay, day 11. Ooh. Got a piece of jewelry today. Oh, these are cute little earrings. They're little bow earrings. I'm definitely wearing these today. They're so cute. Look how cute those are. So today I'm going to be going grocery shopping, baking a little bit possibly, cooking for my parents because I didn't do that yesterday because they didn't have rice and that's a main part of the meal. So I need to buy some of that today so I can cook that for them today. And I have really minimal makeup on. I just have a little bit of mascara, blush, concealer, and powder. Yeah, just like powder to set it. On my lips I have this Volume Effect Outrageous Lip Gloss from Sephora in shade number 6. It has like a little bit of a tingling, plumping effect, and I really like this color. I think it's really fun. It's like a natural enough of a pink to go with my look today. My shirt is those really soft and cozy shirts from Old Navy. I think they're still on sale. Mama Bee asked for me to get one for her for Christmas even because she felt them and she was like, oh, it's so soft, and they are so cozy. And today's kind of like high 60s, low 70s. It's kind of warm today, so I figured, you know, wear something. This is not super heavy, which I like. Okay, so let's get going. Baking shopping was a success, all of that there. And then they also had my favorite lean cuisines today on sale. I'm so excited. But yes, lots of baking. All right, guys, so today we are making the white chocolate peppermint cookies, and I'm going to have a full blog post on this with the recipe details, so you can just go ahead and check that down below. I'll have it linked below for you guys, but I am going to kind of do step by step with you as well. So you need some flour, regular granulated sugar, light brown sugar, candy canes, baking soda, sea salt, vanilla extract, a half a cup of unsalted butter, 1 egg, and some white chocolate chip morsels. So we're taking 1 cup and 2 tablespoons of flour. I actually did the 2 tablespoons on the top there. Then we need a half of a teaspoon of sea salt and a 1/4 of a teaspoon of baking soda. So we set aside the mixed together flour mixture. By the way, I've already set the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And now I'm gonna take a half a cup of light brown sugar and a 1/4 of a cup of granulated sugar. And we're going to mix that together with this melted butter until it's nice and light and fluffy. All fluffy, you're gonna drop in 1 egg and mix that in. 1 teaspoon of vanilla, going to mix that together. Then we're going to incorporate the dry ingredients slowly into this batter. So we're gonna need a half a cup of crushed peppermint candy canes. So what I do is I just take the regular candy canes, put them in a Ziploc baggie, and take a mallet and literally just smash them up in the bag. So it keeps them all nice and contained. It's easy to do. You can use like a rolling pin if you don't have something like this, just anything. You can buy pre-done crushed peppermint if you wanna do the lazy way out, but you definitely get a lot more bang for your buck if you buy them as whole candy canes and crush them yourself. I thought I was filming and I wasn't. Sorry guys, so I just threw in the half a cup of the crushed candy cane and a cup of the white morsels. These are definitely gonna be sweet cookies. Now I'm gonna combine that all throughout the dough, and I'm gonna scoop these out onto my cookie sheets and bake them for 10 to 12 minutes until they are golden brown on the edges. And then we're gonna make sure they cool completely on baking sheets before we test them out. But I'll show you what they look like once this is all combined. These are huge cookies, but I did go ahead and sprinkle a little bit of the crushed peppermint on top so they look a little bit more festive. And once they cool down, we will do a taste test so you guys can get a feel more for what we think of them. I left one playing. Don't mind my crazy hair, but these are way better than I thought they were gonna be because they have like a little bit of a crunch to them because of the peppermint, and they're like the perfect consistency. They're a bit sweet, but they are really good. Well, you need to tell them. So I'm currently watching Marvelous Miss Maisel, getting the blog post ready for you guys, and obviously this vlog. So I hope you enjoyed all of the recipes from today, all of the cooking, and tomorrow I have a doctor's appointment, wax appointment, and I'm meeting up with 2 of my good girlfriends to exchange Christmas presents and just catch up. So yeah, be back for Vlogmas Day 12 tomorrow. See you then.